Hello, and welcome to My Health Evaluation, where you can fill out your personal health assessment free of charge and receive a customized report. Our mission is to teach you how to take charge of your health through education and empowerment. This short video will explain what you'll see as you go through your evaluation and the results and recommendations you'll see after you complete your evaluation. Let's take a look. First, you'll fill out your information. Please double-check the email you enter is correct. This will ensure that you receive an email copy of your evaluation, along with a link to review your personal recommendations again. Now you will begin your assessment. Please score yourself on a scale from 0 to 5 on the questions below by simply clicking on the number that best describes how often you experience that symptom. 0 for never, 1 for rarely, 2 for occasionally, 3 for often, 4 for always, and 5 for severe. Please note you need to answer all questions. If you miss one, you will not be able to continue to the next page. Simply review the boxes on the right to see which ones are blank and enter your score, then continue. After the assessment, you'll be asked some additional questions. Please answer these and note there are specific questions for women and for men. For your most important health goals, if you're unsure, simply enter "not sure" in the boxes, then continue. When you get to the FDA disclaimer page, please review the information and click the "I agree" box. Then submit. Now you will see your personal recommendations page. The Healthy Body Pack contains all 90 nutrients, and it's the pack we recommend everyone start with. There are 2 options to choose from, and the only difference is flavor. The next section is the recommended add-on products. These are the products Dr. Wallach would recommend in addition to the Healthy Body Pack based on your personal health evaluation scores. The products are scored on a scale from 1 to 100 based on your specific need for the product. The higher the score, the more you need that product for your specific health concerns. Next is the additional recommended products. Please note you may or may not see anything in this section based on your individual answers. The recommended products you will see in this section are based on the health concerns you were interested in. Now that you have reviewed your personalized recommendations, there are 2 choices for you. You can learn more about how to fix your health problems and achieve optimal health by clicking here. Or you can find more product information and purchase products by choosing the Product Information button. No need to memorize all of this. As mentioned at the beginning, you will also receive an email with your scores and a link to the page with your customized recommendations to review anytime. Additionally, the person who sent you the evaluation link will also receive a copy and can reach out to you once it's completed. We look forward to helping you fix your health problems and achieve optimal health. Please start your evaluation now.